Luxury vehicles promise prestige, performance, comfort, yet some end up as money pits. In 2025, certain high-end cars consistently underperform in reliability and cost owners more in repairs and depreciation than they save in ego benefits. Here are the 10 worst luxury cars you should avoid buying, especially if you want ownership peace of mind. Stick around till the end for the crown winner of regret. Number 1. Porsche Taycan. Porsche may be known for engineering excellence, but the Taycan, especially the newer 2025 models, falls short in reliability. Scoring just 76 out of 100 on reliability indexes, it's among the least dependable in the luxury lineup. Owners report erratic shifting, faulty seat wiring, and glitches like sudden loss of drive control, rare but costly when they arise. As an electric, alluring though the high-tech design may be, its cutting-edge components and infotainment systems are prone to early failures. Repair costs? Very high. For a luxury EV that depreciates rapidly and returns poor dependability, the Taycan is an overly expensive risk with more flash than lasting substance. Number 2. Porsche Cayenne, 2018 to 2023. The Porsche Cayenne blends performance with SUV practicality, but it's notorious for reliability woes. The What Car? Survey lists it as the least reliable luxury vehicle in its class, with a high rate of electrical and battery-related failures. About 24% of owners experienced problems. Repair costs can be steep. 40% of reported issues exceeded 1,500 pounds, and 80% took longer than a week to fix. That's the kind of downtime and expense you don't expect behind a Porsche badge. The Cayenne may drive great, but ownership is far from carefree. If you're not prepared for frequent, costly visits to the dealer, look elsewhere. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz GLE, 2019 to present. The GLE is a comfortable cruiser loaded with features, but who wants problems behind the allure? Reliability scores hover around a shaky 88.2%, with electrical faults plaguing nearly a quarter of owners. Suspension and exhaust issues crop up too, and about 43% of repairs took over a week. Yes, Mercedes covers most costs under warranty, which softens the blow. But post-warranty? Owners face a treadmill of maintenance bills and shop downtime. If peace of mind matters, the GLE isn't the luxury SUV you name for durability. Number 4. Range Rover, 2013 to 2022. Range Rovers may be iconic for design and off-road chops, yet reliability remains frustratingly low. With an overall reliability rating just above 90%, nearly 28% have reported problems, mostly bodywork, electrical, and engine. Though 80% of faults were fixed under warranty, it doesn't negate the high maintenance costs or extended downtime. Number 5. Infiniti Q80 Inspiration. This concept-turned production luxury sedan failed to deliver. Critics and owners say it underwhelms with stale driving dynamics and dated infotainment that feels behind rather than ahead of its rivals. Despite its premium positioning, the Q80 doesn't justify the price or offer future-proof tech. Reliability data from J.D. Power also ranks Infiniti near the bottom of premium brands, with 242 problems per 100 cars. Infiniti as a brand delivers more style than substance. For buyers wanting longevity and performance, the Q80 is a risk that drains both patience and wallet. Number 6. Jaguar XJ, 2025 relaunch. The relaunch of the Jaguar XJ didn't go as planned. Industry review found its performance middling, infotainment outdated, and it lacks a hybrid or EV option, especially disappointing when electrified competitors are available. Jaguar's historic luxury appeal doesn't translate to modern dependability. Repair costs for this class are steep, and with limited innovation, depreciation here is rapid. If you're attracted to prestige, consider that tradition isn't enough when technology and reliability are subpar. Number 7. Audi models, multiple problems. Audi as a brand fared poorly in J.D. Power's 2025 dependability study. worst among luxury automakers with 269 problems per 100 vehicles. That includes flagship SUVs like the Q4 e-tron and others, which bring luxury styling at the expense of reliability. Reddit sentiment supports it. Audi's an owner-confirmed unreliable brand. For luxury buyers accustomed to peace of mind, this level of reported problems suggests Audi models offer style over long-term ownership comfort. Number 8. Cadillac Lyriq. As Cadillac's electric flagship SUV, the Lyriq shines with sleek design and premium comfort, but reliability lags behind. It scored just 53 out of 100 in reliability tests and already has 2 NHTSA recalls. The high-tech cabin and ambitious electric powertrain haven't translated to dependability. Early adopters risk expensive repairs and performance uncertainty. For a luxury EV, that's a red flag, especially when alternatives offer better proven reliability. Number 9. Land Rover/Range Rover Legacy. Even beyond the Range Rover model, Land Rover as a brand continues its reputation for low reliability. In global studies and user experience, Land Rover models often sit near the bottom. Owners complain of electrical glitches, suspension failures, and ongoing expensive maintenance. Reddit calls it bluntly, they are just trash, unreliable. While capable and stylish, these vehicles come with financial and functional caveats. Expect frequent service visits and high repair bills. Not what luxury should feel like. Number 10. BMW. High maintenance. While BMW isn't the worst-rated luxury brand, it's notorious for expensive maintenance, especially once warranty ends. Reddit owners say, you need a warranty for a BMW, otherwise repairs pile up fast. And according to Motor Biscuit, while BMW ranks second among luxury and overall reliability, its maintenance costs remain steep and predicted reliability slightly dipped in 2025. In short, it's a luxury brand with performance that comes attached to high-sitting repair costs. If you don't mind routine servicing bills that can quickly surpass basic ownership budgets, BMW may still be tempting. But for worry-free luxury, better choices exist. There you have it, the 10 worst luxury cars to avoid in 2025. Despite their bling and prestige, these models demand more money, patience, and repairs than their value justifies. If long-term dependability matters to you, steer clear of these problem vehicles. Which one surprised you the most? Have your own horror story? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Car Care Nest, and tap the bell to catch more honest auto advice weekly. Drive smart, spend smarter.